Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a Valentine's ticket in Abyss Roblox. So if you want more of Valentine tickets, I found the fastest way to max out your tickets in the Abyss Valentine's update. So what you need to do, there are some ways that you can get the V ticket or the Valentine tickets. The first one, here you just need to catch the Cupid's mutated fish that will look like this in pink color, and there's love around it. And also you can also catch this one, the lonely, this one is, let's see what it's called, lonely mutated fish, this one, and it will look like this. It's like the same with the Cupids, but this one is like looks a little broken hearted. So okay, this one, as you guys can see, I spot a buffer fish with Cupid mutation. And when you success in catching Cupids or lonely mutated fish, you can also get the Valentine's ticket. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.